Wow, see my gele. You want try am? You want try am? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're your first time on this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button down below this video so that when new videos like this are released, you'll be the first to see it. Can't you see my gele? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? So wonderful. And it was actually stress-free. In less than 5 minutes I was done. Let me show you how I did that. I can also share this video. You know, this is Christmas season. You don't know how to tie gele, just try this method. You will see how it turns out. So I have my long gele ofi, or what do we call it now, and I used rubber band for it. Just look at the procedure. So this is my long ikbele or ofi or whatever, this material. Even if it's a long scarf, I folded it into this smaller lap was just like 1/4 of the whole material. Then I created a pleat at the two sides, and then I tied it with the rubber band. As you can see, just one rubber band. So at the upper part, just follow the way I did it, then you get it. It's actually very simple. I got this method online as well, so I just felt my subscribers would really like this. So at that part, so you see the way I did it, that part that remains, I covered my head with it. So I adjusted it. I'm just trying to adjust here. Then I covered. This method is actually good for people that don't want their hair to be out. Even if you have a very full hair, or you attach something to your hair and it's very big, this method is also good for you. But this method covers your head. So then you twist it at the back. As you can see, twist it, just the normal twisting. Twist to the right or to the left, anyhow. Then you bring the long twist. As you can see, the pleats already form the butterfly like flap in front. Then you bring the twist to cross it behind. So, and then you tuck it in at the back. That's all you can see. So I tucked it in at the back. So as you can see, I'm all done. Just to adjust, you can adjust anyhow. You can make it even better than mine. Look at how it looks like fun. Just with rubber band. So if you are there, you don't know how to tie gele, you don't know, this style is actually very simple. Then try it and you will see that wow, you will look so great and beautiful. Aren't I beautiful? Look at it, simple, no button. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and share this video to as many. If you're a man watching, you can share with your wife. If you're a mother, you can use it as a tutorial. And if you have children that you like to learn, just also share with them. Thank you for watching, and remember to always do good. Bye.